Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and I am going to take the lecture on the topic arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progression. This is my video part 1. So let's start with the question. Question number 1 is in a GP consisting of positive terms, each term equal to the sum of next two terms, then the common ratio of this progression is equal to. Here it is given the each term equal to the sum of next two terms. Suppose there are three terms. As we know in a GP, let first three terms are a comma ar comma ar square. Now it is given that for each term is equal to sum of next two terms. It means AR square. Take a common out from RHS, then we will get 1 is equal to R plus R square. This is a quadratic equation in R, so we can solve it by Dharachar formula. Dharachar formula is if we have AX square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus of b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So here r is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus minus plus 4 upon 2. So our r will be minus 1 plus root 5 upon 2, or it can be minus 1 minus root 5 upon 2. Now see the options. So here only one option is correct, which is option number A. So our correct answer is A. Now come to the question number second. Given that in an AP denote the sum of first n terms, it means sum of two n terms upon sum of n terms का ratio is equal to 3:1. We have to find out the sum of 3n terms ratio sum of n terms. Now you can solve it by the formula we have Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can put this value s2n and s3n and we can solve it, but we can use the short trick, put n is equal to 1. So here in this we have s2 upon s1 is equal to 3:1. What we need to find out is we need to find out the S3 ratio S1 is equal to what. Now the given sequence in AP, so S2 means the sum of first two terms. So the sum of first two terms A plus D upon A is equal to 3:1. This implies 2A plus D is equal to 3a. This implies D is equal to A. Now we have to find out S3 upon S1. S3 means the sum of first three terms. So first three terms are A plus D and A plus 2D upon A. Now add A terms and D terms, we get this. Now by this condition, put A is equal to D, then we get 6D upon A. A and D are equal, so we get 6:1. So S3 ratio S1 is equal to 6:1. Now see the option, so B option is correct. Now come to the third question. The sum of the first three terms of a GP is 21 upon 4 and their product is 27 upon 8. So we have to find out the common ratio of the GP. So now come to the point. Let three terms are A upon R, comma A, comma AR. You can let AR square, but this is very complicated. So I am here assuming that three terms are A upon R, comma A, comma AR. Now by given condition, we have A upon R plus A plus AR is equal to 21 upon 4, and second equation will be A upon R into A into AR is equal to 27 upon 8. R से R cancel out, then we will get A cube is equal to 27 upon 8. This implies A is equal to 3 by 2. Now put this value of A in this equation. So we will get A common out, 1 upon R plus 1 plus R is equal to 21 upon 4. A is equal to 3 by 2. Taking our LCM, so we get 1 plus R square is equal to 21 upon 4. So 1 plus R square upon R is equal to 7 upon 2. This implies 2 plus 2R plus 2R square is equal to 7R. This implies 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies 2R square minus 4R minus R plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies 2R R minus 2 minus R minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we will get 2R minus 1 and R minus 2 is equal to 0, and we will get R is equal to as 1 by 2 or R can be 2. Now check the option, which option is given. So here option D is correct, R is equal to 1 by 2. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is very easy. This is the direct result where 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot p square or n square. It can be p plus 1, 2p plus 1 upon 6. This is the direct result. You can write it down as it is. Now come to the question number 5. Here we have given 1 upon b plus c, 1 upon c plus a, 1 upon a plus b are in arithmetic progression. Then which of the following is correct? Now solve it by the condition. As we know, if three terms are in, if a comma b in AP, then we have b minus a is equal to c minus b, or it can be written as b is equal to a plus c upon 2, where b is the arithmetic mean of a and c. Now use this result to solve this. So we will get, what we will get, 2 upon c plus a is equal to 1 upon b plus c plus 1 upon a plus b. Now 2 upon c plus a is equal to a plus b, 2b plus c upon b plus c and a plus b. Here we will get 2 times ba plus b square plus ca plus bc is equal to AC plus 2BC plus C square plus A square plus 2AB plus AC. Now here 2BA, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 24. 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. 26 plus 2 is equal to 28. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. 32 plus 2 is equal to 34. 34 plus 2 is equal to 36. 36 plus 2 is equal to 37. 37 plus 2 is equal to 38. 38 plus 2 is equal to 39. 39 plus 2 is equal to 40. 40 plus 2 is equal to 41. 41 plus 2 is equal to 42. 42 plus 2 is equal to 43. 43 plus 2 is equal to 44. 44 plus 2 is equal to 45. 45 plus 2 is equal to 46. 46 plus 2 is equal to 47. 47 plus 2 is equal to 48. 48 plus 2 is equal to 49. plus 2b square plus 2ac plus 2bc is equal to 2ac plus 2bc plus 2ab plus c square plus a square. Now you can see these all terms are cancelled out and we have 2b square is equal to a square plus c square. This implies b square minus a square is equal to c square minus b square, which is the condition of arithmetic progression. This implies a square comma b square comma c square are in AP. So correct option should be this. Correct option is B. Thank you so much. Please follow the VGR solution for more such videos. Thank you.